Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register United Concordia member portal, enrollment guide step by step clearly. To register for the United Concordia member portal, begin by visiting the United Concordia website. Look for the member portal link on the home page. Click on the link to be directed to the member portal login page. On this page, locate the register or sign up option. Click on it to start the registration process. You will now see a form that requires you to enter your personal information. Fill in your first and last name as they appear on your insurance card. Next, input your date of birth. Include your email address, ensuring it is an active account you can access. Create a username that you will remember for future logins. Now, make a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. You may need to provide your United Concordia member ID number. This number can typically be found on your insurance card. Review all entered information to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed by clicking the Submit or Register button. You may receive an email to verify your account. Check your email inbox for a verification email from United Concordia. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will redirect you back to the member portal. Now, use your newly created username and password to log in. After logging in for the first time, you may be prompted to complete additional profile information. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. Once all steps are completed, you will have full access to the United Concordia member portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.